So this is final part 3. The first one we talked about what reviews matter, Google. And if you're not found on the web and you do not have a Google business page, that's step 2. Now we have reviews, we have a Google profile. If you're in position looking to create lead opportunities, the third and final step is Google Local Service Ads, LSA. This was a platform that Google created years ago, probably about 12 years ago, for the local trades. Could be plumbers, electricians, painters. They wanted to make a platform for the consumers in your local area to find these services. And so they realized about 18 months ago, you know what? This is working fairly well. Why don't we open this up to other services? Realtors. What it allows you to do is carve out your geographic area so you can name the cities and the zip codes that you want to focus in. And you can stretch that radius to a 2-mile, 5-mile, 10-mile, 20-mile radius of coverage. So when anyone types in, for me, Long Beach Realtor, boom, there's a plethora of people to select from. Now, what you have to do is put your credit card down, and you have to determine what your ad spend will be per week, which the amount is dependent on the amount of impressions and Google searches for those keywords. And in addition to that, the algorithm wants to see reviews consistently happening because they want to make sure that if they put you at the top of the list, that you're going to call them back or respond to their email. They don't want this lead to go to somebody where the call goes unanswered, that'll hurt your score. The email goes unanswered, that will hurt your score. And as long as you keep doing those things, you will always be at the top. And I will tell you, these have been the best leads that I've seen in a long time. And even better, most of them are seller leads. So if you're not on Google LSA, check it out. My name is Scott Cotto, Circle Real Estate. For more tips and tricks, follow my Instagram and TikTok.